All right, now you're welcome. Let's solve this question. From the question, okay, from the question it says the set A, which gives us the member of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11, and set B, which gives us a member of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 15, and set C, which gives us a member of 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. As subset of our universal set 1, 2, 3 up to 15. We are now to draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the given information. So to draw it, let's look at the board. I've sketched it out here. So as here we have the universal set, which is one set that contains 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 15, as I've said earlier. Now, they say we should draw a Venn diagram. To draw a Venn diagram, we know we have A, B, C. How do we draw it? There are different shapes of Venn diagram. But to know the shape, we must do something first. Now, we have to find the intersection between the three. Let's take these two, for example, A and B. Let's find the intersection of A and B. Now, A intersection B will give us the set of. Now, let's look at A and B. What is common to A and B? Look at 1 is here, 1 is not here. But 2 is here, 2 is not there, okay? What of 3? 3 is common between them. You can see. So we have to put 3, okay? Is 4 common? No. But you can see 5 is common in between them. Because of that, we say we have 5. Since 7 is common, all right, we put 7 over here. 7, okay? Now, what else again? 11 is common between them. So we put 11. And that gives us what we need for A intersection B, okay? Now, it means A intersection B can exist. Let's go to A and C. Do they intersect? A intersection C. Now, looking at A and C, what is common between them? 3 is common, as I see there. Okay, so we have 3. 3 is common. Now, what is common again? I can't find anything that is common again. Between A and C, nothing is common again. So it's only 3. So 3 is common. Okay, let's now go to B and C. So B intersection C now. What is in B intersection C? Now, B intersection C. Now, what is common? 3 is common also. Okay. What else again? I can't find any. 15 is common. 15. All right. So we have 15. So let's close it there. Now, the next thing we have to do is to find the intersection of everything. So A intersection B intersection C. What is intersecting between the three? Between the three, A, B, C, I can only see 3. No other number intersects. Only 3 is common to the 3 of them. Now, it means this 3 is the intersection of the 3. So it means the 3 intersected. Once you see that the 3 intersected, it means the diagram will be something like this. So it means you are going to have the first 0, which is A. The second one will also intersect because in A intersection B exists. So we have B that. A intersection C also exists. Now, which means we have to, and the 3 of them exist, we have to have it like this. So that's C. Now, what is common between the 3 of them? This is 3, figure 3. Figure 3. There's something that is unique that we have to be careful of. Now, when you want to do this now, what will be in A? There will be a fence. The fence is the universal set. This universal set is the fence, which is this. That fence them is the universal set. What we have to do first is this. Now, once we have gotten the intersection between the 3, we go to the intersection between the 2 also. A and B now they intersected. What are the figures that intersect them? That's 3, 5, 7, and 11. So we write it as 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay. The next thing now, A and C. How do they intersect? A and C, they have 3. But mind you, you don't write it again. Because A and C also, you look at the circle. When you have A and you have C, okay? Where they intersect, 3 is there already. Because this 3 is also occupying here. Okay? So you don't write it again, please. So that you will not duplicate. What next again now? B and C. Where is that B and C? Now, I made a mistake here, please. I'm not supposed to include 3 again because 3 has been included already. So we only have 5, 7, and 11, please. So now, B and C. B and C is 3 and 15. We only put what? 15 because 3 is there already. Alright? Now, what do we do now? The next thing for us to do is to look at each element. Look at A. Anyone that is not in this circle before, we write it out. Let's look at A. A consists of 1. 1 is not here before, so we put it there. 1, comma. It has 3. 3 is there already. 5 is there already. Okay. 7 is there already. 9 does not solve is there, so we have to put it there. 11 is there, so we leave it like that. Let's go to B. B has 2. 2 is not here. If you look at it, 2 is not here in this circle. So we put 2, comma, 3 is there already. 5, we have 5. 7, we have 7. 11, we have 11. 15, we have 15. So that one is sorted out. Let's go to C. Look at C now. C, 3, we have 3 already. 6, we have, is there 6 there? No, 6 is not there, so we have to put 6. Okay, comma, 9 is 9 here, because you have to look at the circle C. 9 is not there, we put it. 12 is not there, we put it. 15 is there, we will not put it there. Now, there is something that remains again, very, very important. Remains one thing. Look at everything we put here now. Okay, have they represented the universal set? Universal set is the set of all members. As if you have a family, everybody in your family is the universe. Anything you want to do must be in within. Look at it now. Can we find any other figure in the universal set that does not represent here? So what do we now do now? We start looking at it one after the other. 1 is 1 there, yes. 2 is there. 3 is there. 4 is not there, so we put it outside. Comma. 5 is there. 6, 7, 8. I can't find 8 anywhere. I put it there. Okay, I can't find it anywhere. There is something we have to be careful of this. Now, I can find that there is 9 here. Okay, 8. Let's go on 8. Okay, what else again? 9, we have it. 10 is not there, so we have to put it there. Okay, 11 is there. 12 is there. 13, I can't see 13, so I write it. Comma. 14, I can't see 14, also I write it. Okay, 15 is there. Okay, and that's the last thing, because everything must be between 1 and 15, and that justifies everything. So this is one of the ways to draw a Venn diagram. Okay, if you follow it very well and you understand it, if they now tell you to find any answer here, you can find this comfortably without any issue, and which will give us a very good edge. Now, when we say A intersection C, I made a mistake the other time. There is still 9. Please, there is still 9. Let's look at it. I'm supposed to put 9 here. A intersection C, there is 9. Because there is 9, it means A intersection C, we are supposed to put 9 here. So that we are not going to repeat it again over here. Please check it properly. So that's how to do it. Thank you and God bless. Look at a lot of videos. Subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Share with friends. Now, subscribe so that you can I have a lot of videos, more than 200, teaching mathematics, physics, chemistry. And that's just how we do it. Thank you and God bless.